They seem to think it's only in very large companies, or maybe it happens outside of Trinidad and Tobago, but it can't really happen here. And that boggles my mind because I remember back in the day chatting with what was a smaller version of Hindu Credit Union. I remember I attended a board meeting while I was working for the regulator, and I was giving them an example of another credit union called County Council Employees Credit Union that had failed terribly. And I say, no, you need to be careful because X, Y. But no, that can't happen here. We don't operate like that. And look what happened to them, right? And once you think it can't happen to you, you make a fantastic candidate for it happening because you've let your guard down. There are companies who still believe money laundering can't happen to them. I see it in particular in the credit union sector because where that came from, the culture of it, they feel that only the banks and the insurance companies will be targeted for money laundering, not them. But if you're talking about an industry where locally, we are talking about more than $1 billion in assets, TT currency, it's going to attract attention.
Oh yeah.
And if the persons who are up to mischief believe that your guard is down, then you're a soft target. So even when we talk about things like KYC within that industry, and you may have had this experience, they believe that they know all their members. And if we know all the members, we don't need all this technology and quick KYC, or we already have quick KYC. They think a spreadsheet is quick KYC. But
Yeah.
no, it's not. But if you have in excess of 100,000 members, which is what the largest credit union in Trinidad and Tobago has,
Mm-hmm.
you can't possibly know all your members. It's gone beyond that. Right? If you have less than 1,000 members, you can barely know all. And then the people that they are connected to, who may use them as money mules to channel their money through the organization. Very unlikely. And then you have those who think that they are so small that nobody's going to pay attention to them. But if you're really small, maybe I might. Because you see your organization still has a bank account.